Guangzhou Zhongda Smart Technology Company Limited is a diversified group company. Professional in intelligent retailing equipment, bring in marketing, design, development, manufacturing under one group cooperation. Our production base is in Guangzhou. Have a group of experienced technical and management team, equipped with advanced equipment and instruments and perfect testing methods, with comprehensive processing capabilities of mold design and manufacturing, hardware punching, stamping and forming, spraying, assembly with self-developed software, product design and production according to customer needs, to provide customers with different type of beauty vending machines in a more professional and timely manner. 2022 new products are desktop models and wall-mounted models catering to customer needs for site and investment budget and now popular in global. Guangzhou Zhongda Smart Company Limited insists on customer first, quality first, service first. Zhongda vending machines are with nice finishing, stable function, smart interactive system, and specific custom service deeply favored by the customers domestic and abroad. Our goal is to be the most stable supplier of vending machines in the world. All of us work, all our efforts to provide well-functioning, attractive, money-making machines for each of our customers. We hope to bring success to all of our customer and lead to a long-time win-win cooperation with each customer. Look forward to working together with you.